Hi guys, Bell Me Cherry here. Come on in. Listen, I'm sneaking this video in to my day right now just because I miss you guys. I miss being here. So it's been a couple of days I have not been filming. So here we're gonna do, I'm stepping out for the night. I'm gonna do a quick face. And I figured I'll just go ahead and quickly, when I say quickly fill you guys in. I will fast forward. I will keep my mouth shut, fast forward everything, showing you guys the whole process, and then boom, the end result, because that's what we want to see here, right? I hope you all are doing well out there, my loves, and those who are coming in waiting for these videos to come through. Mwah, kisses to you guys. And if you're new here, come on in, join in the family by subscribing, clicking on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out quickies like this. And we do everything beauty related here, so join the family. Let's get to this video. I have a couple of new products I'll just show you guys that I'm using, and I can't wait to start using them either. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's do this. Enjoy watching. All right, guys, here's the end result. We pop in a red lip today. I used on the lips the vinyl ink from Maybelline. This bad boy here. It's a little sticky. The red is growing on me. I have gold shimmers from the Cara Beauty Miss Independent on top of the Juvia's Place matte shades that I use. I enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Thank you for your time and support here in this channel. Really hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And then I'll see you guys on the next one, on the next quickie. Hopefully we get more of this happening because your girl have no time right now. But I miss y'all. I love y'all. I want to still be here with you guys growing. And we did this today. I'll see you guys on the next one.